Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. But today's video is a little bit different. Today is the first day of Vlogmas. But over here, we're gonna call it CHEVMAS. Yeah. Now, over here for CHEVMAS, you guys are not going to be seeing Christmassy things because here in my household, we do not celebrate Christmas, right? But we're going to do CHEVMAS. Doesn't have to be Christmassy. But we will be doing things. Promise to give you good editing, good music, good videos. In the name of who? Jesus Christ. Amen? Amen. So today's video is a reset for the month of December and declutter. So we're gonna take out some things, throw away some things, take down some things. We're gonna be taking down the curtains, changing the sheets, wiping down, getting the walls de-webbed, just cleaning. So we'll be resetting our space for the month of December. We will come back in another video and we will be titivating, we'll be prettying up the space, putting on new bed sheets and new comforter. Yeah. You get the gist? You get the gist. All right, cool. If you have not already, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy, okay? Don't be stingy. Now, I also want to say I do not have an aesthetically pleasing home, okay? I do have 2 children, so this is going to be a little bit difficult for me. We are going to start off the vlog cooking. I'm not going to show you guys everything because we did that in the last vlog, but I'm going to be cooking. I need to get my boys something to eat. They've been up before me. I actually really and truly did just wake up. So I'm gonna get them some breakfast and then we're gonna get the day started because we got a lot to do, okay? So on the agenda, we're gonna take down the curtains. We're gonna get some clothes washed. We're going to clean the oven. We are going to be taking off the vinyl that I have on my computer desk and putting on a new vinyl. What else do we have to do? We have a lot of washing to do. So, yeah. That's as far as I can think that we have right now. Along the way, I will let you guys know what we are doing. But as of right now, those are the few things that I do know that we are doing. I did wipe down my bed like last week. I did do some light cleaning already, because that's just naturally who I am. I can't wait until a video to do some light cleaning. But I did some light cleaning already. But I want to do some more cleaning with you guys. So, too much chatting. Let's get into today's video. So, before we jump into the December reset, I wanted to talk a little bit about something that you may ask me. Why don't you celebrate Christmas, Chev? And it's nothing religious, nothing dramatic. It's really just my personal perspective. Over the years, I've realized that for a lot of people, Christmas isn't about Christ or anything spiritual anymore. People say it is, but when you look around, it's more about shopping, spending, and trying to keep up. It becomes less about meaning and more about pressure. And I mean, some people believe more in Santa than in the actual reason they say they celebrate. So for me, it's never sat right pretending to take part in something that felt more like a performance than anything genuine. At the same time, I love the season. I love the shows, I love the movies, I love the lights, the cozy feeling. There's something beautiful about the energy of people around this time of the year. People seem softer, kinder, and more giving. And especially this year with Hurricane Melissa damaging parts of Jamaica, the energy feels even more different. Like people are holding on to the little moments even tighter. So for me, I just want to focus on community. I want to focus on gratitude. I don't want to focus on consumption. So this Vlogmas isn't about trees, gifts, or decorations. It's about creating calm, being present, and ending the year with intention. If you're here for that, welcome. Let's reset together. Guys, it's been a day, okay? It's been a day. I need to go take a shower. I need to listen. I've cleaned, okay? I have cleaned. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Everything hurts, okay? I know I didn't get to show you guys what everything looks like, but I'll be putting on the bed sheets and doing some stuff hopefully before the holidays, and I plan to show you guys that, right? So just bear with me, please bear with me. I know this vlog didn't give much, but we did our best, all right? With 2 children and I have to stop and cook and take care of them. And guys, give me some grace. I promise to keep working at it, and just stick with me, okay? Stick with me. Please remember to like. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe, okay? We are almost at our goal. We need to reach the 500, so let's get to 500, and then we can aim for, you know, the 1,000 subscribers. But we're gonna start, and we're gonna start at where? 500, yeah. So guys, help me to reach 500 subscribers, please, and thank you. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Day 1, and we are out. Thank you for subscribing. See that foolishness? Thank you for watching. Foolishness, not chat. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.